This is week 2 of our Cozy Minimalist Christmas planning. So are you ready for your power task, your Christmas planning mission and your self-care prompt? Let's dive in. Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah. If you're looking for a Christmas with less stress, less waste and more joy, this 6-week series is for you. We're going to get straight into it. We've got 3 things that we're doing each week. I will update the list weekly. You will find that on my blog, dianedenmark.com. I will put a link in the video information and in the pinned comments here. So let's dive straight into it. I've got the candle going where in Denmark with all our hygge things. Okay, so it's week 2, Monday the 28th of October. I hope you've got something nice to drink while you're listening in. If you're in the southern hemisphere, probably some iced water. So your power task this week, first up for the power task, I want you to set your timer for 10 or 15 minutes, use one of my cleaning and decluttering videos, and I want you to spend 5 or 10 minutes in the living room doing a quick pupa, P-U-P-A, pick up and put away. Are there any items in there that belong somewhere else in the house? Before you know it, we're going to be doing a spot of decorating. So let's just take 5 or 10 minutes in the living room and also 5 or 10 minutes in your entryway to the house, the hall, the dining room. Now, you can see that relates to the Flylady system that I teach. We've got a crossover week. We're working in both areas and just 5 or 10 minutes in each. As I said, you use my videos, that will keep it hygge for you if you enjoy the body doubling thing. And then for our Christmas mission for this week, what I want you to do is twofold. I want you to check your lights. If you are putting any lights out in the garden, if you're putting any lights on your tree, have a check of those. Do they still work? Do you know where they are? We put the clocks back here in Denmark yesterday. We've moved into winter season and it's very dark here. It's dark by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, I've already put up our Christmas lights outside, our Christmas fairy lights. I'm not switching them on right now, but the weather is turning, it's getting colder, darker. So I've done that, and that way I'm ready for when I need to switch them on. And the other thing that I want you to do is to go through your Christmas decorations. Now, I know many of you have many boxes of them. I'm going to be doing a big declutter this week, a mega declutter. It's going to be more than 15 minutes. It'll probably be about an hour long. And I'm going to go through every single box that we have. We've got like 4 large boxes of stuff because hubby and I are downsizing and I'm hoping to release at least 2 boxes of things. Now, why do I want you to look at those right now? Because if we are decluttering, this is when the charity shops and your church or your community, this is when they want those things. And also it stops us from when we are out and about, we see all the Christmas things, you're not going to be tempted to buy things because you know what you have, okay? So you're going to be looking at lights and you're going to be looking at decorations. And then let's not forget about you in this equation here comes your self-care prompt. This week, I want you to put together for yourself a self-care basket. Pamper basket, a little cozy nook. Now, if you already have a self-care basket, go you. If you may want to tidy that out, see what's in there. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link to a video and you can do this in 5 minutes. And I want you to put together a little basket or a tote or a box, because when we move into kind of busy seasons, stressful seasons, the first thing that happens is we don't take care of ourselves because I need to plan the menus and I need to decorate and buy the gifts. I want you to take care of you all the time. So you are working on putting together a little self-care basket or a cozy nook. Right, just give you a quick recap. So number 1 for your power task is to spend time in your living room and also in the dining room, the hall, the entryway to the house. Just 5 or 10 minutes in each. The Christmas task is to check lights and to check decorations. As I said, I will be checking with a big declutter. And the self-care to create a cozy nook or put together a self-care basket. Let me know what you are going to do first this week. As I said, I have a list for you. It will be updated weekly, and the link is in the video information and also in the pinned comment. And I've already bought our Experience Copenhagen Christmas calendars for this year, some things for the kids. Anyway, there'll be other videos coming about all the Danish hygge traditions, including the candle jar. I'll be telling you all about that. And if you enjoy my videos, I do hope you will just take a minute to leave a quick comment, even just an emoji. Subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. I do all this on my own. I don't have any team and I don't do any sponsored comments. So that would be a little pat on the back for me. I shall see you later this week for a big declutter. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.